Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. Sorry for not posting anything in the last month, but I also had my vacation during this summer. So now I want to intend to start again the series of how to repair our different steps on how to maintain this cheap coffee machines. So today I want to make the video short. Today we are working on a Dolce Gusto KP110 machine produced by Krups. This is called, I think, Oblo, if I'm not mistaken, this exact unit. And I want to show you step by step how to disassemble and what are the main components which you have to change, where to get them, so on and so forth. So first of all, the unit is like this. Hope you can see. Remove all the accessories like the water tank, here, water tank, and then the coffee tray over here, the also the pod tray, which stands over here. I have it in another place, sorry for not putting here. And you also can remove the this part over here with the needle, but it's not quite necessary. On the back side you have 4 screws and 2 over here on the upper part. For this you need a TA Torx, so a smaller Torx with the hole in the middle. So we will need something like this. Hopefully you can see it has a hole in the middle and it's a star. So this was the T15 and this is the T10 Torx. Yeah, it's actually the T10 Torx. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 additional ones, one here and one over here. Here would be helpful if you have a longer screwdriver. If not, there's no problem. So these 4 are the same screws. These upper 2 are smaller screws, as you can see over here. So don't mix them, otherwise you will have difficult times putting them back in place. Don't forget about the needle here used for the cleaning of the function needle over here, like this. So this is used for this. If you have line scale, don't forget to do this sometimes, otherwise you will not get any coffee. So all Dolce Gusto units have this cleaning tool here. Don't lose it. Okay, now we have this removed, all the screws removed. Then we can remove the upper part over here. For this it's recommended to use a pry tool if you have a plastic one, to not scratch it. Of course, if I need one, I cannot find it in this mess here. If not, you can use also a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. There is some 2 tabs over here. Don't worry, they will not break. So they are really stubborn. And this upper part will go up like this, and now you have access to the main button. Yeah, you can remove the main button from here, or you can let it dangle like this over here. Then next step, you have two screws, one here and one here. Yeah, they are the same 10 P10 Torx. Yeah. These are exactly the same like the 4 ones removed from the back, so don't worry about that. Yeah. Okay, and we have these two additional screws over here down, which, if I remember correctly, they are not mandatory to be unscrewed, but let's see. There was some time since I did not open one of these units. By the way, if you have a different type of machines that you want me to disassemble, yeah, you can send them to me and I can make a video. Yeah. Okay. So on the back side here we don't have anything, any screws. Okay. And here we have these two small tabs that we need to pry. One here and another one over here. This, you have to be careful not to destroy them or break them. And you can see already we have here some detachment. Like so. Okay. And on the other side, like so. And this back part now can be completely removed, like so. Okay. And now we have access to more or less all the internals, yeah, the switch that changes from hot to cold water. This is the heater element. Yeah, this is the main board over here. We can access this as well. Yeah, and this is the pump. Yeah. Good. And this here are some tabs over here. You can push them, put your finger like here, and from this side you can push. Yeah. I managed to destroy one tab. Don't worry, it's not a problem, they will fit back together. But gently you can detach this mask. Yeah. So let's see what we destroyed. It's not on the mask itself, looks like it. And now we have access to the main board. Yeah. And this cable from the main switch can be traced over here and completely removed from the main board. Here it is, yeah, with yellow and this one. Yeah. So if you need to change the main board, yeah, you have it over here. Heater element down over here. You have the pipes, the rocker switch, and the pump. As you can see, that if you need to order the pump, The pump is this type, yeah, and the main board has this part number. Hopefully you can see it, yeah. Okay, so this is how you completely disassemble one of these units. Yeah. In the meantime, I will put everything back together. If you want to skip this part, by all means. Yeah. Like so. This is now really easy to put back in place. Like this, and also on this side, this has to go under, like so, and here is a clamp. This is more or less the complicated part. Okay, so as you can see, be careful on this part over here. It has to come over it. Okay, and now we have to put back two screws, one over here, so putting the mask back together was the most difficult part. we can put this back. So this has to slide back into place like this. And this has to enter through here, and then the rocker over here. First is the front, put the front, and then the back, and here the seam has to completely snap, and now we only have to put back the screws and then the accessories, and yeah, that's it. So don't worry that if some tabs will break. Yeah, it always breaks. It's almost impossible to open this type of machines without the tab breaking, but nevertheless it's not that important. If you break one or two, yeah, they will still fit. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, guys, this is it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I know this was a rough video, but in order to be quick and just show you the basics, I needed to be a little bit rough. Yeah, so give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.